this is a demo of my app. It's branded Dogs and it's a dog breed selector tool. So this is the app here on the home screen. I have used an API of dog breeds. You can see the data array there. The data is broken down into breed name, image, description, and then some dog info, height, weight, and life expectancy, and breed group. There's also an ID. So going back to the selector tool, there's a home screen. You can select, first you can scroll down the page and see the dogs there. There's a title for them, of their breed name, an image, a description, and then their height, weight, and life expectancy. You can search in this selector drop-down menu, small, medium, and large. So if we did small, it brings up the dogs that are small breeds. Or you can also search by breed name. If you wanted to find all the poodle crosses, you could search oodle. So it's a partial name. And this brings up everything with oodle in the breed name. So there's a lot. Or you can search a particular dog breed name like Cocker Spaniel. It'll bring up everything with Cocker Spaniel in there, even the crosses. You can clear that. There is also a like button so that you can save your likes. This feature I had not finished building. It's meant to save your likes to another page where you have a gallery of all the dog breeds that you had liked. So if we do another search, York, so it retains that search, but it also had selected the first two in the next array. So it's a slight bug there. There are also different routes in the app. So you have the home page where we are. You can go to About Us and read some About Us information. You can go to Contact Us, and there's Contact Us information there. And each page goes back to the other page. Go back to home. There's a loading spinner as well on the home page. And that's just a static name there. So that's the tool. For my code, so we've got index.js here, which is fairly standard. It's rendering the app.js. App.js has the routes and the navigation bar. If we look at CSS, I added some custom styling, changed some of the wrappers. I used Bootstrap and some other dependencies to add styling, and I've amended it. There's a heart like button, changes search boxes, image sizes. The navigation component has the links for the navigation bar. There's a nav bar from Bootstrap. the home page component imports a component called filter data. The filter data component is where most of the search bar, the select form, and the dog card that's rendered is all coded in here that shows up on the home page, and the loading spinner. So the main function is filter data. It sets the state, and so that the dogs can be searched by breed name or description of their breed name. So that's the code there, and it renders a card down here. So search through the items, maps them, renders a card, and the heart like button is imported from the heart like button component. So that's the filter data component. For the heart like button, I got the look of the button from a dependency called material UI. So this sets the state. It console logs whether it is clicked or not as true or false, and I plan to use this, capture the state, to be able to save that particular dog card to a gallery page. So that's that. The About Us page is fairly standard. It's text about us in a class component, and there's a Contact Us, which is also in a class component. Most of the other components I've used are function components. So that is that. As I said, the major plans were to persist the state with the heart like button, and then save it to the JSON db.json server that I created. So thank you.